Hello everybody, welcome to Guaranty here in Junction City, and my name's Teresa. I'm here to show you this really nice 2014 Navion with a Mercedes chassis and some of the nice features that it has for you as a driver of a coach that's probably one of the more compact if you like driving around in, say, small college towns, or you want to just find easy parking and you don't want to have to unload or pack up or leave your rig there and take a car with you. These fit into that category beautifully. I'm going to take you around the driver's side here. So down on this side you'll notice nice big mirrors with the blinker light on the outside for safety, people seeing you from the side and from the rear and the back. Nice wide door opening, easy access to the cab very comfortably. You're able to climb in here and it's just like being in a van. You don't even really realize you've got this nice coach behind you. Another nice safety aspect is your gas tank. It is only accessible when this door is open. And you'll notice that it does have one slide on the side and some nice storage underneath. Still easy to access even with the slide out. Your water tank area is right there at your fingertips. Don't have to climb underneath the unit to get to your electrical or your tank closures. Easy closed doors. In the back, another slide out, and that's your bed area. Really helps open this unit up when you are ready to park and relax. And I don't know if this is open, but let's take a look. Nice storage inside. You also have your slide out room controllers in this box in case you want to do it from outside, just to be sure you're not hitting anything that might be behind you. More storage. 3600 Onan generator, and yet more storage. On the side, you can tell that your mirrors fold up nicely if you do happen to be in a tight area in a parking lot or somewhere you don't want your mirrors knocked off. Come on in and I'll show you the rest. One of the things you'll notice when you step in, right away you've got all this light. One of the reasons is you've got this great window up front with shades. You can close that out. Also, this one has shades, and this acts as a roof and a vent for you. And you can open that up all the way, but be sure and close it before you go to bed and it might start raining. The fold-away couch, it also makes into a bed. These holes that you see in the floor are for poles that hold tables for eating, or in between your seats over here, because these do turn around and you have actual guest seating and they can have their own table. A nice galley kitchen with wonderful cabinet space. Lots of drawers for a Class C like this. And deep cabinets. Plenty of storage for the type of traveling and camping that you would do in a vehicle like this. A double sink, and your boards cover also act as cutting boards for you. 2-burner gas stove. Convection microwave. Pretty nicely equipped. More drawers. I don't even think I have this many drawers in my kitchen at home. Come on in, I'll show you the rest. Good sized bathroom with porcelain toilet, and not all have bidets. These tend to be kind of a European styling, so they give you some of the advantages of that. Sliding pantry, drawers, more. A nicely equipped little two-way refrigerator as well. But wait, there's more storage, and this is lit as well. I'm really impressed actually by all the storage in these. They're great. And a cozy queen size bed, which you could, with the storage that you have underneath this unit on the outside, you could even pack along a nice padded cushion if you wanted to make this even more cushy and relaxing when you get to where you're going. TV in the bedroom, more cabinetry. We just took this in recently and I think it's not going to last long, so please call me. My name's Teresa. I'm here at Guaranty RV and I'd love to give you the rest of the details on this. Good to hear from you. Talk to you soon.